Hello everybody, I hope everyone's having a good day and a good weekend so far. Welcome to my channel guys. I am in the middle of cleaning my room. I am not having very good luck today at all. I keep dropping things. I'm getting really super pissed off right now. I dropped a whole thing of glass cleaner on my floor earlier. Okay. Yeah, just spilled all over the dang place. And then this happened first to my Morphe palette because I want to know where this to work actually next week. I was going to wear a couple colors in it. I think it's okay though. I'm really upset. It just busted. I was in the middle of cleaning. And then this busted somehow. I got that in TJ Maxx. That busted on me somehow. So I don't know. But this literally fell on the floor in here. So yeah, guys, I am not having a great day today. I stopped cleaning because I was just dropping things and things were not just working for me today. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.